take my mats, let me reverse. Meanwhile, look for that. There's nothing on the bottom. There's nothing to hook on it.
Which one do you'll put?
Hold on.
Yeah. Can you put that one? What? You put this one, it goes like this, right? Put that one, comes.
See, but if you pull this one, it spins on the back. It's just gonna be a little tug.
Which one do you pull?
This one. But you see, so we won't scratch the wheels. See, this is. So it won't scratch.
This one in.
Yeah, gently, soft. So it won't scratch your wheel. It's just a little tug. But I don't. Hold on. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe. Ooh, there's nothing on the bottom, right? Oh, the other side. The other side. Cause pull this way.
This one is the big one.
It's gonna be reach. You need to get to here. Let's see, turn your wheel. Turn it that way.
Which way?
This way. Look, come in. I'm gonna pull it from there so you can see. See that? Right there. Right there. It's gonna be slow.
This one's a ball joint, right?
Let's see.
It's a ball joint.
Oh, it's a ball jump.
Yeah.
We need something harder than that. Oh, here goes the swing arm. This is the swing arm. Right there. That's the swing arm. That's the most hardest part of the car. But you see, it's just going to be slow. It's just going to be a little tug. Just like, it's not going to be,
Okay.
it's not going to be hard. I'll see when you get up.
Yeah.
And then don't step on it too much. Slowly.
Yeah.
Not, it's out. Oh, it's still stuck, right? You think it'll move? Yeah, it's pretty deep. That's pretty deep here. Let's see, try backing it up now. Should I move? Yeah, maybe I should move. So it won't hit. Nothing. Yeah, let me move the truck forward. Yeah. Woo! Another car out of the ditch.